is here. It is time for another holiday safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro!
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro, where in the world did you get this firework, and what do we got tonight?
We got Vancation from MagValue.
There you go. MagValue Fireworks. Now, they are part of Magnus Fireworks, if you all didn't know that. And to let you know, where can you get this in Arizona? You know, the only place I know is santanfireworks.com, santanfireworks.com, for all your safe and sane firework needs for July 4th, New Year's Eve, and they're open up in mid-June, over 60 locations. santanfireworks.com, check their website for a location nearest you. If you are on the New Mexico side, there's 2 locations there. They have them all over the valley, all over different parts of the state, down south, and there's a couple locations in the Yuma, California on the Indian Reservation. Go to santanfireworks.com for your safe and sane firework needs and tell them BBQ Rando sent you, and they'll go, who? Okay, so all right, so we got have you ever lived in a van, Sergeant Pyro?
No, sir.
All right, well, let's take a little turn here. You got a lot of van dwellers today, which is kind of cool.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. All right. Whew. Oh, so we got a description here instead of a performance. This one I could read a little bit better. We have hit the road with red crackling flowers, whistles and strobes. Oh, the strobes. Party all night with green, gold, and blue effects and whistles, or with whistles. Woohoo! All right, it says we need adult supervision. Let's not tell our wives. All right, we're going to flip her around a little bit more. What do we got on top there, Sergeant Pyro?
We got an upside down van.
We got an upside down van. That's because he went through the Deck Park Tunnel downtown. There we go. All right, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to get out to the street pad and light Vancation from MagValue?
Yeah!
Let's go! To the street pad, Sergeant Pyro, thank you for the lights. All right, Ziggy's here, everybody.
Hey, Ziggy!
Say hello to Ziggy in the comments. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! All right, good thing I have one more ear that works. Whoa! Okay, there goes the other one. That was 3 whistles. Woo! Wow! 4 whistles. 5 whistles. We're setting records here on the BBQ Rando Rant. 6. Holy shit.
Every 10 by the time it's over.
I know. Oh, this is 7. Oh my goodness. Oh, 8.
Oh.
Sergeant Pyro, I do not know of any fountain that did 8 whistles. And by the way, you gotta get this at santanfireworks.com. I should get a case of these. I wonder if they'll sell me one. Whoa!